I would like to congratulate the class of 2007 and welcome our families, relatives, friends, Mr. Fishback, Superintendent, Mayor Sacco, Assistant and Superintendent, Mr. Capitordo, Ms. McGowan, and Archbishop Trujillo. First, I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Andres Martinez. This is my second year attending Robert Fulton School. 3 years ago, I began learning English, and now I'm happy and proud to say that I've progressed much in the past 3 years. The town of North Bergen has opened many doors for me, which have helped me achieve my goals. Having earned the privilege of being one of the valedictorians in this year of 2007 is an honor. I want to thank my parents and my brother, friends, and teachers, academic subject teachers, special subject teachers, as well as homeroom teachers. In the beginning of September of 2006, I was anxious of what was to come in this new school year, my second year. But like all students, anxiety fades away as we adapt to our new class. In this school year, there were many friendships made. We were constantly in each other's presence for 180 days. Our classmates became our family over the days, weeks, and months spent together. New friends were made, and some were forgotten, but life experiences were passed down. During the year, we shared lunches to get to know each other better. We attended dances like the Halloween and Valentine's Day dance. This year was also great concerning sports. Our basketball team reached the semifinals. Our track team won for the 7th year in a row. And also the cheerleading team did great. Our student council performed their duties better than ever. We are thankful to Officer Joe who brought the DARE program to us, from which we learned so many things. We proudly collected $3,700 for leukemia patients with the Pennies for Patients collection. We, many of us, saw our first Broadway performance, The Phantom of the Opera. And most recently, we attended prom, which was an awesome night. The 8th grade at Robert Fulton School has been memorable. To all my fellow classmates, I hope you enjoy a bright